Okay, now we will move on to the line graph. Now, a line chart is a type of graph used to visualize data points connected by straight lines. This is usually called as the linear graph. Okay, it is commonly used to represent data that changes over a period or a time, or it shows trends or fluctuations or pattern of data sets. Okay, you get the data sets, you plot it on the graph, and after plotting you will get a straight line in the line chart. Okay, this is also one of the important stuff you should remember in data interpretation. Okay, so let's see few problems. Okay, the first question is, the line chart below shows the number of smartphones manufactured by a company P and Q from the year 2005 to 2008. Now you should study the graph properly and get the answer. We have 2005 data, 2006, 2007, 2008 and 2009. Okay, the orange depicts the company Q, the blue line depicts for company P. Okay, all the number of smartphones are given in thousands. Okay, 141,000, 121,000, like that it will go on. Okay, so here the first question is, identify the difference between the smartphones produced by company Q in 2008 and 2009. Okay, so here the difference between company Q in 2008 and 2009. So 2008 and 2009 the company sells, okay, the company Q sells the mobile, that is Q is orange color, 135 and 169. Okay, so 139, 135,000 and 169,000 smartphones. Okay, so therefore the difference will be here. Most of the problems will have, we will find the average or difference, the percentage increase or percentage decrease will be getting into account for these type of problems. So the difference will be 169,000 minus 135,000, which is equal to 34,000 smartphones. So the right answer is 34,000, that is option C. Okay, we will move on to the second question. Okay, the similar data is given. Find the difference between the smartphones produced by two companies from 2005 to 2009. Now, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to add all the values of 2005 and all the values of 2009, and we are supposed to find the difference. Now, the solution is given. Okay, so 121,000 to 118,000, 18,000 will be equal to 6,35,000, and next when it is considered for 2009 you add all the values and you get 6,67,000. So when you find the difference you will get 32,000. So option A will be the right answer. So whenever you get the data you are supposed to convert it, because the given data is in thousands, so you are supposed to give the values in thousands only. So keeping that in mind, we will go for the next question. So the next question is, find the approximate average number of smartphones produced by company P. And we know the formula to find the average is total. You will summate total number of data by the total number of data. Okay, sum of all the data by total number of data will give you the average. Okay, so in company P we will add all the data and divide it by total number of data. So here the number of data is 5. So, the average number of smartphones produced by the company P is 121,000, 101,000 plus 145,000 plus 188,000 plus 18,000 divided by 5 will give you 1,27,000. So, average number of mobile phones which was sold is 1,27,000. So, option B will be the right answer. Now, moving on to the next question. The making of smartphones by company Q in 2008 was about what percentage in comparison to the making of smartphones by company P. Okay, here we are going to just consider the year 2008 for company Q. Okay, and this is whenever the question is asked, what is the percentage over this to this, or the over the percentage from the company P to Q. So if the question are asked like this, the problems should be solved as, first we should find in 2008 the smartphones produced by company P. Okay, in 2008 smartphones by P is 88,000 and by Q is 135,000. Okay, so percentage difference here over P, it is asked about company Q over P. So first you should put 135,000 above, and below you will put 88,000 into 100. That is 153 percentage difference it has made. Okay, company Q has made over company P. Okay, so this is how you analyze the chart. Okay, whenever the data is given in a chart, you should analyze it and answer. So we have discussed about four important charts: table, bar, pie, and line graph. So keeping all this in mind, you should solve the questions easily. Thank you.